Hello friends, Cindy Create the Heart, and I was in the middle of making this video and I got interrupted by a spam call and then my boyfriend calling me in the middle of the freaking video. Anyway, it's like super annoying. It's okay. They don't know when I'm going to be filming something, but yeah, why are you calling me? But anyway, I've been really busy getting ready for my sale and cleaning out my closets, and I'm not going on any big vacations this year. I do hopefully plan on working on my scrapbook from last vacation, my Europe trip, and I still have to get my pictures printed and work on that. So I got a lot going on, and it all has to do with like cleaning and destashing. So I've been really having a good time with my destash to stash or stash videos. You know, there's a lot of things that I'm going to be destashing in this sale, and probably even more, you know, in my other sale that I do around Black Friday. But also it's an opportunity to use products that I haven't used and to see whether it's something I want to keep, or even things that I haven't used in a long time, and see if I want to keep them or destash them. So I have not started my weekender, and part of it is because I just haven't had time. I know that's going to involve a lot of die cutting. I'm not going to be die cutting in advance. I'm probably just going to go, okay, well, this is class 1. I'm going to die cut for class 1, do class 1, and then die cut for class 2, and do it that way. And it takes, I don't even know if it takes longer. I think it takes the same amount of time. But I am going to sit down and work on that. But I am working on my sale, and you know, I've got a little bit of time to do that before I gotta be done. Like I said, I'm aiming for the end of June, right at the beginning of July. So that time. Anyway, having said all of that, because I have not done my weekender, and yet I've got some new classes to do. Summer school has not started yet. This is Tailored Expressions. It's like a 1-day little summer thing that they do, like a little workshop. Last year, I believe they did foil, which I really enjoyed. This year, it's about coloring. I wish people would get off the freaking Olo bandwagon, but it's okay. It's okay. I just substitute for Copics. And for me, it's just because I have a huge investment in Copics. I've been using Copics for 10, 15 years now, and kind of can color pretty decent with them. Even though there are some colors in Copics, like the purples, for example, that I might purchase in Olos, just to kind of round out my collection and have enough colors to work with for some of the ones that Copic is kind of a little bit deficient. But honestly, personally, I don't think that Olos are, I don't think their formula is as good as Copic. I don't think they blend as well. I don't think, you know, that's just me. And maybe I'm biased because I have a lot of investment in Copics. But it's a coloring class. And, you know, like Pink and Main, for example, is doing one in July. It's also a coloring class with Olos. And it's fine because I can still use those techniques in my Copic coloring. And it's just fun to do something. It's fun to do the workshops and have a goal. So what's really nice about Tailored Expressions is you get a lot less product. Well, that's not the good part. You get a lot less product, but you get a really like beautiful printed booklet, and you get all of the cards parts cut out for you and given to you. So that's great. It makes making the class stress-free. So I won't be surprised if I do this class before I do my weekender, because I don't have to worry about it, right? So we get all the pieces to make everything. We get this nice book. We're going to make 4 cards. We also get envelopes, which is amazing. I don't know how many times I've been thankful that those envelopes are sitting there. So that's great. And then the other part of this, I think the class, I want to say, was $89. I think that's what it was. So it's kind of good. And so they've gone ahead and printed this out. So obviously we're going to use this to help us with the coloring portion, which is great. And then there's the envelopes. And so the kit is this kind of fun fruits of summer, which I think is really fun. And I like it because I don't really have, I don't know. I just think it's nice. So, and we get the dies. And so I think it's good. I mean, for $89, yeah, you don't get as much product, but to have everything cut for you and be able to just turn it on and do it with just sort of the supplies that you have, I think sometimes that's really nice. And that's one of the reasons why, aside from that, I do really enjoy the products and everything's very professionally done. But I do really love that portion of it, so it is nice a couple times a year to do these classes and have everything cut out for me. So that's the kit. If you're curious about what you get for your, I think it's $89. I paid for it a while ago. This is what you get. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy of Crying with the Hearts.